How are you doing, guys? Welcome to our channel. I'm Demi. In the previous video, I shared the idea that dropshipping is still profitable in 2020. And in today's video, I am going to talk about the pros and cons of dropshipping so you can have a comprehensive evaluation of dropshipping business and decide whether to start it or not by weighing pros and cons. First of all, let's see how dropshipping works. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model in which you don't keep products in stock or manage the fulfillment. Whenever a customer orders a product from your online store, you pass the order to a supplier who then ships it to the customer. You earn through arbitrage. There are 4 steps to demonstrate the business model. Step 1. Your customer places an order from your online store. Step 2. Your store automatically sends the order to your dropshipping supplier. Step 3. The dropshipping supplier prepares your customer's order. Step 4. The dropshipping supplier ships the order directly to your customer. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the dropshipper doesn't stock or own inventory. Instead, the dropshipper purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a manufacturer or dropshipping company, to fulfill orders. The dropshipper doesn't have to handle the product directly. Dropshipping is a great business model for those who want to start business with limited money to start with because of its accessibility. Almost everyone could start dropshipping without quitting its present job, for dropshipping business requires little investment of time and money to start, and it is very easy to run the business. Here are 4 main reasons why dropshipping is such a popular model. The biggest pro of dropshipping may be that you haven't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory before launching an online store. You don't have to purchase a product unless you've already received an order and be paid by your customer. With very little money to build up an online store, it is possible to start a successful dropshipping business by selecting a profitable niche. And there's less risk and pressure to start a dropshipping store without inventory purchased upfront sale. Because you don't have to purchase inventory, so you don't have to pay for maintaining a warehouse. With little more than a laptop or a smartphone, you can run your business within the reach of the internet. The only overhead could be the monthly fee of the online store, which is about $1 per day. It is just a drop in the bucket compared to offline store rent. Once you successfully launch a dropshipping store, it can be easier to run the business because you don't have to deal with physical products. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about managing or paying for a warehouse, packing and shipping your orders, handling returns and inbound shipments, checking inventory, continually ordering products, and managing stock level. Most of these works are borne by the suppliers or dropshipping companies. Therefore, you are able to expand with fewer growing pains and less incremental work. A dropshipping business can be run from just about anywhere with an internet connection. As long as you can communicate with suppliers and customers easily, you can run and manage your dropshipping business anywhere you like. Many successful dropshippers are Soho. They allot working hours themselves, and you see them often post traveling vlogs on Instagram while making money at the same time. And because your online store is open to customers all over the world, so wherever you are located, you can sell products to wherever you like. Here is very interesting data from CJ app to prove this argument. Most of the recipients are from the US, but many of the stores are running by registers from France. In the business model of dropshipping, you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell. You can list almost all kinds of products selling online as long as the supplier provides a dropshipping service. It's very easy to start your online store with hundreds of potential winning products. And if you are a CJ user, you will find the sourcing service so amazing. Just post a sourcing request with an image or link of the product, Our sourcing team will search for the best supplier and post the product on CJ app. Then you can list the product to your store by some clicks. We are updating trending products recommendation series every week. Check our playlist for more. For CJ users, please pay attention to the notification and our email push of trending products selected according to big data. Maybe you can find winners that you didn't know exist. All the pros we mentioned make dropshipping a very attractive business model. But like all the ways to make money, dropshipping has its downsides too. Convenience and flexibility come at a price. Here are a few shortcomings you should take into consideration before starting your business. Dropshipping is all about luck and intelligent niche selection. If you accidentally select a niche that is already overcrowded, you will have a hard time surviving, because someone else will already be selling your products for a lot lower price, and you will have to sell for an even lower price to bring buyers to your website. To avoid being trapped in such an awkward situation, it is vital to select a profitable niche before start dropshipping. We have posted some videos of how to pick a good niche for your reference, and here is a very useful website to test products, the ecomhunt.com. You can check the reference selling price to figure out the anticipated profit and the total stores selling this product, then you can judge immediately the product is saturated or not. And if you're paying to gain a senior membership, you can see much other marketing information about the product. With the model of dropshipping, you do not need to purchase and manage inventory and be free from burdensome fulfillment of orders. But this way of running a business is like a double-edged sword. When you are sourcing from multiple suppliers, you are also fulfilling orders for other merchants. Inventory can change daily. It's hard to keep track of which items are in or out of stock. And because suppliers are tackling with tens of thousands of orders every day, even the best dropshipping suppliers make mistakes fulfilling orders. Some mediocre and low-quality suppliers will cause endless frustration with missing items, botched shipments, and low-quality packing, which can cause you lots of trouble and damage your business. My advice is, it's better to choose reliable suppliers to work with and make sure there is sufficient inventory for the product you are going to run ads. Once you have a winner at hand which has stable sales, it is advised by the private inventory to take the stock under control. If you work with multiple suppliers, as most dropshippers do, the products on your online store will be sourced from many different suppliers. And if a customer places an order for 3 items, all of which are provided by separated suppliers, then your shipping cost will be tripled. It is unwise to pass the cost along to the customer, so you have to bear the burden. Moreover, some customers are not happy to receive 3 parcels which may arrive at different times when he places just one order to your store. But this can be a problem on CJ because we have a fulfillment system. Every order is shipped to a customer in one parcel. And many dropshippers suffer from less control over shipping, receiving complaints from customers of the delayed delivery. This is also an important part that CJ concerned about. So we have our CJ packet to make delivery under control. 5 to 15 days to different areas, usually faster and cheaper than e-packet. Also, we have more than 10 shipping methods for options. Users can choose the best solution for a specific order. If you import a batch of products from Alibaba, once you reach the MOQ, you can custom the products as you like. You can have your custom pattern, logo, and packaging, so it's easy to custom your branded products. But for dropshipping, you usually don't buy a large amount of inventory. Most suppliers offer limited customized service. Any changes or additions to the products usually require a minimum order quantity. Building a brand is a way to sustainable business, which may be a trend for dropshipping. So CJ is trying its best to help dropshippers to build up their brands. We have POD category and services like custom logo and packaging. And there is no MOQ limit for custom logo and many custom packages like gift boxes, paper bags, and mailing bags. For further information, you can watch our introduction videos or visit our website. That's the information of today's video about pros and cons of dropshipping. In the next video, I am going to share 6 steps to build a successful online dropshipping business and the budget to start the business. Subscribe us so you can watch our updates in the first time. Do you have any questions about dropshipping? Leave a comment below. And please give us a like, which will be great motivation for us to make it better. Thanks so much for watching. See you at next video.